everyone! In today's video I'm going to be showing my workout routine. I do not exercise as much as I should, but I wanted to share a routine that is very beginner friendly. I do it at home. You don't have to go to the gym or have any special equipment. All of these things are very beginner friendly, super easy. And I find that starting with stretching is a good way to make exercising feel less intimidating because stretching is not very difficult. So I always like to do some things before I begin exercising, just like crossing my leg over, and sometimes you get a nice back crack when you do that stretch. Also just like some neck rolls and trying to do some toe touches. I also like to do the cat-cow stretch like this. This one always feels really nice, and from here I usually go into what I think is called a frog stretch, where you kind of stretch the inside of your thighs. And then from there I move into, I'm not sure if this is upward dog or cobra, I don't know the proper terms, but then from there I go into kind of like a downward dog, and then move into child's pose. And now I'm going to move into the actual exercise routine now that all of my stretching is complete. I don't work out my upper body too much. Most of the exercises I do are either core or lower body, like legs and butt. The only upper body thing that I do is just push-ups. I have a very weak upper body, if you can't tell by looking at my arms, so I have to do these push-ups that are the half girl push-ups just on my knees because I'm not strong enough to do real push-ups. And I can do about 10 of these before my noodly arms give up on me. And then I move into plank and hold that for about 30 seconds or however long I feel like I can go. Then I'll take a little break after this to rest my ab muscles for a couple of seconds and then move into bicycle to kind of get the side abs, obliques worked out as well. From there, I will move on to my side and do some leg raises, kind of alternating from behind my foot and in front of it. I'll do between 20 and 30 of these depending on how I'm feeling, and this is a good way to work out kind of the hip area, just the upper leg muscles. And then switching to the other side for the other leg. Then we have these hip raises, which is kind of a good way to target both glutes and abs, and a little bit legs as well. I think this is a really good one. I'll do maybe like 15 to 20 of these raises and then switch sides. Then to move back to abs, I kind of do this side to side V-sit. You could be holding a weight or just anything that you have, something heavy if you don't have any equipment at home. I usually just twist from side to side, not holding anything, and I still feel the workout, so I think this is a good core one. Then moving on to another lower body exercise. I am on my hands and knees here and raise my leg, going back over the foot that's on the ground, switching sides. So I'll alternate maybe like 20 to 30 of these and then go to the other leg. Then moving into another lower body exercise, I'll do a wall sit like this for about 30 seconds, trying to keep the angle of my legs like a 90-degree angle as much as I can. And after this, I will move into lunges, maybe like 15 to 20 for each leg. I know you can do walking lunges, but since this is just at home and I have limited space, I just stay in place and dip down for each leg 15 to 20 times. And for the very last exercise, I do some squats, trying to make sure my knees don't go past the tops of my feet. I'll do around 30 of these, or however many I feel like I can that day, and that finishes up my complete workout routine. Hopefully this was easy to follow and would be beginner friendly for someone who is just starting out trying to create a workout routine that is really approachable and not too difficult. Let me know what you think in the comments, and thanks for watching.